So this is a pound yen analysis for Thursday, the 3rd of January. Now let's just have a look on prices, where price may like to go. So previously we've encountered resistance around that 40.75. We've had this sell-off here on the pound against the yen. Went into a brief consolidation in around that 37.75 here on the pound yen. From there we saw this extraordinary sell-off here. Over several hundred pips, possibly news related. A bit of a crash here on the pound against the yen, indicating it's a pretty strong yen strength. We did see a pretty strong move here, taking us beyond that 36.45, beyond the 33.21, and we came pretty close towards a 31.14 test. Didn't quite get there. Trading towards the 31s. Our actual lows were, let's just see where they were. Our actual lows were 31.43, so actual lows were in around at 31.43. From there we've had a bit of a recovery back up towards 32.28 at present. So if we do see further bullish buy side momentum, looking for move towards that 36.45, successful break and hold, from which we'll then looking for price head up towards that 37.75, pretty much where we were before we had this crash here on the pound against the yen. If, however, we do encounter major resistance around 36.45, we do see a bit of a turnaround from where we are at present. Looking to see if we do find support here around 33.21, successful break from which, looking for a move back down towards that 31.42 before possibly testing that 31.14 here to the downside on the pound against the yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the pound yen, as we can see, we were trending to the downside here on the pound yen. We had our highs, we've had this consolidation, bit of a bear flag, further sell-off, pullback, posted a lower high, and we did see the further continuation here to the downside. Did have a strong close to the previous day, closed near the lows, and so we did see pretty sharp follow through here to the downside. We've seen a equally strong pullback at present, so we'll see if we do get a bit of a pullback in the coming days or weeks before continuation. But after seeing such a move as this, I think everyone that's selling has pretty much sold, or stops will have been hit, and we may just see a bit of a recovery in the coming days or weeks. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.